Weed was arrested shortly after the brutal attack in their home just this morning. Loretta Weed later died at the hospital. Her 12-year-old granddaughters are in critical condition. Authorities say one of the girls called 911 as that attack was unfolding.
And this is another person that needs to go to jail, attacking babies.
Award to catch the driver in a deadly hit and run in Delaware County. This is so sad. The driver killing the girl you just saw a second ago, 16-year-old Faith Sinclair Farrell, Sunday night as she crossed Chester Pike.
But her death ain't no more sad than the little black child. The little black child didn't even have a chance. The white girl, she was at least older.
Police believe a passenger was.
What makes that more sad? The white girl, even the commentary, they're saying it's more. It's so sad. Well, what about the little boy who got shot in his head? 4 years old.
And be a special ed teacher so that she could help children.
Well, that's great. But she ain't no more important than that baby.
Have suffered